Good morning, guys. So today, you guys ready? Ready to put your freaking movie star hats on? Remember yesterday I told you that we were doing something pretty cool, filming for a company? So today, we were asked to film with PETA. And look at all the clothes are gone. Oh, they just moved here. They're right there. Yeah, so Marley, you're part of the family, but you gotta stop eating cat food. Seriously. I'm gonna kick you right now so PETA can't see me kicking your leg. I'm just kidding. We're gonna be filming with them and have all the dogs in a nice little video. Actually, I don't know what the video is for, but I mean, we love animals, so we're really honored to be a part of this whole situation. By the way, fun little side fact. I don't even know if Allie knows this. Allie, did you know We the Kings a couple years ago was voted most animal-friendly band?
Really?
By PETA.
That's really cool.
I think that was like a few years ago, actually, maybe a couple years ago. This is my second time doing this with them, so I'm pretty excited. Rika, you ready for your movie star debut?
What's in there? Look at the tail. What are you doing, bud?
Is this in a plant?
Yeah, I was until he started digging everything out.
There's not even anything in there. There's literally nothing in there. Nothing is even in there.
He's on the hunt.
So I can't show you guys exactly what's going on or tell you exactly what's going on. Oh, Erica, right?
Yeah.
This is Erica. She plays soccer really awesome. Do you do professional?
Yes.
Okay, so that UF? Is that what you said?
I played at UF in college and now I play for Salt Lake City.
There we go. She's doing something with us. Heather, Alex, right?
Yep.
And when you don't know when this is gonna be out though, right?
Sometime early next year.
Okay, so you have to wait, and I'll tell you guys when it's out. But we're gonna do this interview. Erica's gonna do some awesome soccer, I guess tricks, right? Or just be awesome. Just be awesome. I'm not gonna show you guys that. You have to wait. So like I said, guys, I can't really tell you exactly what's going on. It's kind of a surprise. But Erica over there is doing some pretty cool tricks over there.
Awesome.
She plays for like Salt Lake City, I think, or something like that. Here's a fun little fact. We were just talking. She's from Lakewood Ranch. That's where I'm from. So she knew We the Kings, because Bradenton, homeboys, small world like that, it's always kind of fun. Here, I'm gonna sneak a little bit. Okay, see, I could totally do that, just don't want to right now. Maybe later. I'm a little tired. Is Diesel in the tree again? Yeah, little jerk. You are gonna be the one knocking it down.
DC, no.
Sir? You know what it is? We gotta put anything that looks like a toy high. Anything that looks like this needs to go higher because...
You're messing up my whole...
I know, but we gotta move it higher because look at him. He's spaz.
Guess what, D? This is gonna be torture for you, dude, because it's gonna be right there.
That or he's gonna literally jump up in the tree now. I can't believe, honestly, it's this guy.
Why do you have to do this to Mom? Can't you just throw me a bone here?
This girl's good. Okay, so obviously it's holiday seasons, so that means everyone's trying to get gifts for everyone you know. No joke, this is a site I've been using for years upon years. It's called retailmenot.com. I just want to say thank you to Retail Me Not for sponsoring this video and what I'm about to say to you guys. Something that's new that they have is called cashback offers. If you're looking for stuff, this has all the stores: Apple, Best Buy, Macy's, JCPenney, all these sites that you're probably trying to find stuff to, purchase, sweaters, shirts, whatever. You get the idea. Whatever you're trying to find, I would go here first, search for the store, then come back and get your code, activate cashback if that's available, go spend the money, get your cash back, get your deal, and save money for the holidays. I'm gonna walk you through this. Go to retailmenot.com. Let's just go to Macy's like I was talking about. So you can see all these deals, up to $30 cash back, 70% off. And this is what I was talking about, the whole cash back thing. If you click that, it's gonna bring you this little page. All you gotta do is go to Macy's, shop, no code needed, just spend at least $50 on purchases, check your email, and it will be available in like 15 to 30 days for verification. So let me give you another example. This is to Best Buy, because you guys know I love that store. Literally, I'm not even kidding, this isn't part of the sponsorship. I genuinely just use this for buying my sister her Christmas present and my parents. I honestly think this is the one I used for it. Click that show coupon code, you can copy the code, and on checkout, you can just, apply that code. There's your cash back, so you can get cash back. You can activate that as well. Then you could double save because you can combine all these savings with the cash back thing. I just like kind of showing you guys things like this that just naturally fit in my life and I feel actually apply to yours. I'm not even kidding. I said this earlier. I've been using this site for years upon years. This is like a one-stop shop for savings, if you will. We're gonna do a little, like a giveaway. They're gonna give away $200 to one of you guys. Go to retailmenot.com. I'll put a link in the description. Search for a deal, like your favorite store. Go to Apple, go to Best Buy, go to Macy's. I told you all the. Search any store that you think that you might want. Find a deal. Come back to this video in the comments. Tell me what deal you're excited for and what you're gonna get. And then they're gonna pick one of you guys and give you $200. So they asked me if I thought you guys might be interested. I said maybe. Then you can use that on the site to get more savings and get somebody an awesome present. Retail Me Not, thank you so much for sponsoring this and allowing me to run a contest to where one of you guys can get $200. I think that's freaking awesome. Yeah. Diesel is now discovering his boom. He thinks it's a toy. That's not a toy, buddy. Here, I'll just lift it up.
He's determined. I'm so sorry. Jumped over that ball.
This is not yours. See, this is what I was talking about.
Don't do it, buddy. It's not a game. No. It's not a game. Smiley, come here, baby.
It'd be a fun game for him. That's why I'm not going to let it happen.
No. Oh my goodness. I don't know if this is going to work out.
Yeah, I know.
Buddy. Sit down.
Actually, never seen him do that.
So we have wrapped on today's filming situation. It was a lot of fun. I gotta say thank you to these two.
Diesel.
It's definitely a blast.
Diesel says 15 minutes.
I know. Look at poor Zoe. She's just like tormented. Come on, Zoe, get it. Oh, I always do it. Go, Zoe. Go, Zoe. Go, go.
The thing is, though, you can go like this and put on your foot. She won't ever do it. She'll just stare at it.
Isn't that funny?
When she was little, I yelled at her and she never did it again.
Ricky.
But she'll go like this and she'll run in.
But it's so funny, we have this thing up here and she'll chase that. It like twirls around, she'll chase it forever. So we have to say thank you because we just finally finished. Heather, do you have any like social media outlets that you want to throw out there?
I'm good, but thank you guys so much for
Of
supporting
course,
me.
of course. And what about you? Would you like to?
No, I don't.
Nope, okay. Well, we just had an awesome day of filming together with them. Dogs were definitely the highlight. So,
Look at that camera. We're starting.
yes, I know. Can you only imagine if we filmed with that? That would be nice.
That wouldn't be hard at all.
However, what you're not seeing is that I'm holding you right now and you're just about that big. It was a great day. We had to say thank you to them again and to Peter too, and it was wonderful.
Okay, so we just got done doing this amazing cause. I also got some awesome news. First off, amazing news in the community. That serial killer Allie was talking about was finally caught. They finally got the guy. So that's amazing, amazing news for the horrible situation. I cannot believe that guy did that to those people, and I'm just so happy that they caught him because Seminole Heights, it was Seminole Heights, right? They were on lockdown. They were terrified. Everyone was terrified.
And
Right.
surrounding communities were terrified, but like I can't imagine living in that area and having to like, be on the edge of your seat every single day.
Right.
Can you imagine, like, I think about just like walking our dogs, like being terrified to walk your dog to go to the bathroom. Oh.
And then Alex, the guy who was doing all the videography for the PETA campaign, the PETA 2 campaign, which is amazing. I'm so happy we got to do that with the dogs. He's from Tampa, so he was the one that told us. He was in that area. So first off, I just want to address that. And then second off, most amazing news I could ever have for myself personally, the house sold. The house is finally sold.
I'm just so happy for you.
I know.
I'm like, I know, I feel like people are gonna like take it the wrong way that I'm jumping up and down. I'm happy for you. I am
the house
happy
has
for
been,
you, and
I know.
I'm happy that this is like.
It's been the most stressful 2 years. It's been on the market for like 2 years because we bought this house in 2015. I don't want to say burden, but the weight on my shoulders is finally lifted and I feel so much better. It was like, okay, so they're filming the PETA thing and I was like, oh, this is cool. This is really exciting. I was having a good day. Then that news came and I was like, oh my God, seriously? Like it just kept getting better and better and better.
And like Tara and I were talking about just like the good memories that he's had there and the good memories I had when I was with him and memories before, and I think that it's just such a bittersweet thing but such a magical thing.
Yeah, like Allie just said, it is, I'll be completely honest, as much as I'm excited that this happened and this weight is lifted, I am bummed, I'll be completely honest, because like Allie said, I have so many memories in there. Luckily, all of it's been documented. From the day I bought the house to the day we sold it. All those memories are forever there online. I can always go look.
Yeah,
exactly. I just wanted to say that. I'm just so excited. I haven't got to do any exercising, so I'm really, like, I don't know if you guys can tell, I'm like a dog with not able to run. So I'm going to take the dogs on the not golf cart, the, what do we want to call that? The,
Doggy trailer.
The doggy trailer. Caboose. The pup caboose. I like that. You guys want to go on the pup caboose? You guys want to go for a bike ride? Because Caitlin, Tom, my mom all crushed this. Yeah, crushed it.
I have to say, your mom is like so good at like setting up everything. You know, she just like, it was such a beautiful joint effort between the two of them.
Yeah, it was like my mom, she kind of like set it up. My mom kind of just like actually, Kate and Tom just kind of like set it up. And then my mom, she's a very personable person, so she can just talk people into anything. She's a good saleswoman. I have to give her that. I feel like
your mom literally could sell a bag of to me, and I'd say,
maybe I should buy this.
Maybe I should buy 3.
Yeah. I mean, I want to say that's where I get my negotiation skills. Tom and Kate crushed it with their contacts and their business end as well. So like Allie said, between my mom, Tom, and Kate, crushed it. And I couldn't be happier.
So we're gonna celebrate.
We're gonna celebrate tonight. We're gonna go meet up with everyone, get some pizza. I've been dying for some pizza. Maybe have, you know what? I'm gonna have a drink.
3 days.
Huh?
A whole 3 days since we've had pizza.
I know. It's been a long time. I mean, don't you guys know I have this? I might have a margarita. That might be something I should probably do. Okay, guys, let's go for a bike ride. Come on, Mar. At the golf cart. We're going to this. Hop in. Hop in. There you go. There's got to be a better way of doing this. Marley, come on. You guys ready? Let's go get a nice little ride. Of course, you guys know my favorite thing to do when the dogs are totally styling because they're riding dirty. They see me rolling. They hating. Gonna catch me riding dirty. So since it's been such a freaking awesome day and we're celebrating, so we're gonna meet up with Melissa and her boyfriend.
I'm never gonna, like, I keep saying, I was gonna eat healthy.
Well, we always come to this place. This is my favorite place in the world.
You should straight down in your trash can real quick.
What?
Yeah.
What?
Like my healthy habits.
Oh, I was like, what?
Is Melissa here?
Does that mean your butt? Your trash can, get it? Your pooper.
That's called an ass can.
Yes. So this is my celebration pizza. Yep. Thank you, Melissa.
You're welcome. I gotcha.
She stops drinking. Still love. I'll be honest, guys. I really wish we did more dramatic, I guess, colors. Right here. I don't know if you guys noticed. If you're brand new to these videos, how it gradually fades up. Honestly, today has been such an amazing, exciting day. So much has happened. I'm so excited about the outcome of today, if that makes any sense. So many cool things happened. I just want to say thank you so much for watching today's video. Please have a great day. Check out everything in the description, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye, guys. See ya.